Hotchkiss Field in Richmond is a community hub for the surrounding neighborhoods. Exact was the prime contractor for this community development project, turning 2 acres of treeless turf into a more vibrant urban green space, with walking trails, shade trees, as well as native vegetation, which includes 56 trees and 1,850 individual plants. The goal is to make this space more welcoming for folks who live in the area to gather and stay here. We were in charge of the construction of the walking trail and the natural adornments, including boulders and stacked timbers used for seating. The walking trail is made of permeable pavement, meaning rainwater can filter directly through the surface. The stone that the pavement rests on stores the water and filters out contaminants before the water enters underground waterways. The rain garden that we installed serves the same purpose, but uses specialized soil instead of stone to filter out contaminants. These systems help keep our waters clean and safe. We look forward to seeing how these renovations bring this community closer together.